Good morning from Kolin, where we are in the pension that we stayed in last night, and as you can see, we're still making preparations for our tour today to Prague. And yeah, it's going to be an interesting day in terms of weather, because this summer in Europe is just very unpredictable. Yeah, it was supposed to be dry and sunny today, but due to some expected heavy rainfalls, we're probably going to shorten our ride again and do a 65k, hopefully ride to Prague, and then well, just pretty much have the afternoon off, so that's a plus. Yeah, so not much Elbe today, but yeah, should be interesting enough. Well, the first issue of the day, we were supposed to leave the key or leave the pension at 10, and we're just 3 minutes after 10, I think, and that means that this locker box won't allow us to leave the key behind. So it's an interesting conundrum. So hopefully we can find someone to yeah, to deliver the key to and be on our way before the eventual rains start again. Okay, talk to you later. Ideal road to start with. What can you do? Ah, wow. We are not going to be able to do this. Finally, a roadblock that works against me. What a shame. Well, Patreon's going to see if we can get through, but I think that's doubtful. Oh well, we got all day. All right, talk to you later. Here we are again on the same 12, a busy road, but only for 1k, and then I think that should be the worst of the roads we'll face today. Fingers crossed. What, pray tell, would that be? Pozor, electric. Also, yeah. So this sort of cute little control cabin. Again, this is an official cycle path, and it looks like this. Well, I guess it is cyclable, but just barely. Certainly not on a road bike. We've seen plenty of these. Yeah, it's good that there are signs, but a bit of road maintenance would be nice as well. All right, well, that's where the rain showers are, and hopefully we'll stay in the clear. Fingers crossed. What do you know? Tarmac. Yay. Well, that was a cool track. Now I think it's about 10k to Ceski Brod. Hopefully we can get lunch there. That will be nice. I thought there was not much climbing today, but it's not a flat country, is it? Well, I reckon it's about 25k left to Prague. Should be there around 3-ish. That'll be nice. Nice. Right, as you can see, we've arrived in the outskirts of Prague. This is 14th district, and I think it's about 10k to the place we're going to stay. And yeah, that means we are good on time for once, which is nice. So we can do a few things in Prague. Nothing too touristy, because I did quite a few videos on Prague already, so you can look them up on the channel if you like. And yeah, that might be it for now. As always, thanks for watching, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. Ahoy!